Hey guys, Pailag Pools here with another green pool video. This one was really green, so we had to empty it. You can see all the rubbish in that pool. Wow. Look at all that algae. Yuck. There's so much algae in there. So first we had to power wash, chlorine wash and acid wash the entire pool. Then we had to brush and vacuum up all this mud and algae. Already looks better, all cleared up. Now it's time to install the new light. Look at all that green behind it, yuck. Now it's time to reconnect the plumbing and plumb it back to the new area where the pump will be. And then we install the concrete pad. And then came the time to finally fill it back up. And finally we built a water feature to cover the filter and the pump. This is the final result. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos just like this.